In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom mockup template in Canva. This tutorial is perfect for anyone looking to elevate their design presentation and showcase their products or ideas more professionally. Whether you're a small business owner or a graphic designer, Canva's features make it easy to design stunning mockups. So let's dive right into the process. To begin, you'll want to open Canva and start a new project, or access the existing one you'd like to add your mockup to. Once you're in, the first step is to click on the Uploads button found on the left side of your screen. This is where you can upload any images you intend to use in your mockup. If you're designing a product mockup, such as for apparel or digital downloads, make sure you have high quality images ready. You can simply drag and drop the image you want straight into your Canva page. Now that you've uploaded your image, it's time to click on it, bringing it onto your working area. Here, you can adjust the size and position it accordingly within your design canvas. Once placed, direct your attention to the top bar and click on Edit. This editing option allows you to tweak your image and make any necessary adjustments, such as cropping or filtering, that help enhance its appeal in the mockup template. Next, you'll want to explore the Elements tab by clicking on Mockups. This feature unlocks a variety of pre-designed mockup templates for different categories. Canva offers a range of options, making it an excellent resource for various needs, from tech devices to fashion items. This stage is crucial, as selecting the right type of mockup will greatly influence how your final product is perceived. For today's example, let's select apparel, which gives you a selection fitting for showcasing clothing items. Once you have made your mockup category selection, you now have the freedom to peruse through various templates and choose the one that best fits your needs. The great thing about Canva is its versatility and the ease with which you can try different styles until you find what works best for you. Select the template by clicking on it, and it will be added to your design. From here, you can continue to make adjustments both to the mockup design and your image placement. This could include resizing elements or utilizing Canva's various text and graphic options to further personalize your work. And there you have it. You've successfully created a custom mockup template in Canva. This process allows you to present your ideas or products in a visually compelling manner, enhancing professionalism and engagement. I hope you found this guide helpful and you're encouraged to experiment with Canva's vast array of tools to suit your unique projects. Happy designing!